got no respect for us.
He's the producer.
She make movies, huh?
Major Hollywood player.
Together, they're going to make a killing.
Yesterday you were a loan shark.
Yeah, but I was never that into it.
John Travolta, Gean Hackman, Rene Russo, and Danny DeVito.
All right, what's my motivation?
I love it out here.
Get Shorty. Remember the last time a movie really made you laugh?
What the hell are you doing? I might ask you the same question.
A woman pretending to be a man, pretending to be a woman?
Ridiculous.
Wait a minute, wait a minute!
Cry.
I am not here to force my twisted soul into your life. I'm in love with you.
If we have enough good times together, I'm going to get down on my knees. I'm going to beg that girl to marry me.
You are to me.
And you to me.
Dream.
You know how to whistle, don't you, Steve? You just put your lips together and blow.
Maggie!
Maggie, the cat is alive! Haven't you any pride?
No pride at all. That's a luxury a woman in love can't afford.
Think.
I ain't never gonna get a chance to fight the best there is. You know something? I'm better than him.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
I like having you for my big brother.
Yeah.
What great movies are all about. Own them today.
The Birdcage, America's #1 comedy of the year, filled with laughs and filled with music. And now the music can be yours because the Birdcage soundtrack is now available with all your Birdcage favorites. The fabulous Goldman Girls, Gloria Estefan and the Miami Sound Machine, the unforgettable Nathen Lane in the complete version of Stephen Sondheim's, and more. The Birdcage. You'll love the movie. You'll love the soundtrack.